Hey, what's going on, my friend? Cameron here, and in this video I want to share with you something about the affiliate business system. So you've probably already watched the affiliate business system training. If you haven't, you can go ahead and request to watch that there if you want to watch it. But on this specific page, I want to share with you the bonuses that I'm going to add additionally to you if you're going to go ahead and purchase affiliate business system here today. And what I'm going to include with you, which will hopefully help you on your journey. And it's something that I've been working on for the past few years, and it's really all coming together recently. It's still not totally ready, but you can see on this page all the different bonuses that I'm building out for you. Two of them are already ready to go. There's one of them there that is basically what we're going to be doing every single week on the live streams. So if you've already been a part of the community for a long time, you'll know that we hold the inner circle every single Wednesday, every week. But over the past few years there, we've had a complete new transition from the old platform, which was built on WordPress, to the completely new platform, which includes the social network, the members area, all this here kind of stuff. And you can check all that out on the website. So what I'm going to be building is an additional community which is only for people who have affiliate business system. Now, this additional community is going to be called Limitless Gold Insiders, and we had it before. Now, when it was built on WordPress, we had these things all over different membership sites, different things over here, and it was all kind of duct taped together. What we have here now is something completely out of this world. There's nothing else like it anywhere else on the internet unless you want to duct tape all these things together. So now's your chance to get in. If you click the button below and register for the affiliate business system, what you're actually going to get is you're going to get the full done for you Limitless Money Hub. Same one I use for myself. You'll get a carbon copy of that one. You're also going to get additional things there that you'll be able to see on the page. One of the things that you get is eStage, and that there is the new platform that all this stuff is being built out on. And you'll also potentially get your own social network. So this is the thing that I'm going to be delivering the gold insiders inside, and you'll be able to access VIP anyway for free. It's going to be completely free. But if you buy the ABS, and now's the time to get in, because there's not going to be another additional offer similar to what you're going to see when you click on the button below. Now is the time to get in at this ridiculous price of everything that you're going to get. It's really stupid crazy. Like if you see it, you click the button, you're going to see it. You're going to wonder why is it this price, and you're going to kick yourself if you miss it, because I bought it last year. I bought it a few years ago, and it just keeps on over delivering. So if you want to get it, go ahead and check it out. And like I says, all these bonuses that you'll see on the bottom here, the two trainings, the business templates, the ongoing masterminds, the personal Limitless Gold, private community. Even though you get that with the VIP for free anyway, you get that whole community side as a gold insider, and you get, when you have eStage, you'll get the business templates, which will build out week after week, and you get the complete full benefits of that there. You'll be able to import them straight into your account, straight from when we build them out each week on the inner circle. So like I said, this isn't a big rush for me personally, but it is where we're going. And whenever you go ahead and get that ridiculous discount below for the affiliate business system, you will be locked in for gold insiders whenever it launches. And that'll be one of the benefits and bonuses that you're going to get. So I'd like to see you on the inside if this is something you want to do, and go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think. I'll see you on the inside. Peace.